How to download and install the Windows 11 22H2 update. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can download and then also install the version 22H2 update on Windows 11. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're actually using the 21H2 version, you can see that currently I'm on a new version which is 22H2. So if you want to install this version, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is just go ahead and then simply open up your browser, and in the search box just type in Windows 11 download. So when you type in Windows 11 download, you'll see the first link from Microsoft. Just click on download Windows 11. So you can see the latest release is Windows 11 2022 update, which is version 22H2, right? So basically in order to download this, you can just select download access, or you can create Windows 11 installation media, or you can create a disk image or ISO device, or create a bootable installation media. But in this case I'll just select the installation assistant. So just click on the download now option here. It will basically start downloading itself. So it's just 3.98 MB. After this, we're just going to open it up, and then it will ask us to install Windows 11. So agree to the terms and conditions. And now if you're not already on the Windows 11 already, it will ask you to simply go ahead and then run the latest versions of Windows. This is simply how you can go ahead and then actually install the Windows 11 22H2 update. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.